A very good morning to all. Today we are moving on to a new topic, addition with regrouping tens and ones. So we have already learned addition without regrouping. So in this class we will be learning addition with regrouping tens and ones. Then we will be learning about story sums. So let's start. Addition with regrouping tens and ones. So let's take two numbers, 56 and 7. So we are going to add 56 plus 7. So number 56, it is a two-digit number, right? And what about 7? 7 is a one-digit number. So you can see the ones in tens place. So number 56, 6 in ones place, 5 comes in tens place. What about 7? 7 in ones place. So we are going to add these numbers. So first, let's see the ones place. So which all numbers are there in ones place? 6, 7. 6 and 7. 6 ones and 7 ones. In tens place, you have 5. That is 5 tens. So first, let's see the ones place. 6 ones plus 7 ones. So what is 6 ones plus 7 ones? 6 ones plus 7 ones makes 13. That is 13 ones. So we can write 13 as 1 10 and 3 ones. We can write 13 as 1 10 and 3 ones. So in ones place, we can write 3. Then we'll carry over this 110 to the tens place. So we'll carry over 1 to tens place. So which all numbers are there in tens place? We have 1 and 5. So 1 10 and 5 10 makes 6 10. So let's write 6 here. So what is 56 plus 7? 56 plus 7 equal 63. So this is how you need to add two-digit and one-digit number by regrouping tens and ones. Let's do some more examples. Which all numbers are given here? 34 plus 9. So what is the number? 34 plus 9. So what we need to do first? Let's see the ones place. So which all numbers are there? 4 and 9. 4 ones and 9 ones. So what is 4 ones plus 9 ones? 4 ones plus 9 ones makes 13. So number 13 we can write as 1 10 and 3 ones. So let's write 3 in ones place. Okay, so we have this 1. We'll carry over this 1 to the tens place and we'll write 1 over here. So in tens place we have 1 10 and 3 10. It makes 4 tens. So let's write 4 here. So what is 34 plus 9? 34 plus 9 makes 43. Let's do one more sum. 45 plus 7. So what do you need to do first? First, see the ones place. We have 5 ones and 7 ones. So what is 5 ones plus 7 ones? It is 12 ones. 12 ones, we can write it as 1 10 and 2 ones. So let's write 2 in ones place. So what about 1? We'll carry over this 1 to tens place. So let's write 1 here. So in tens place, which all numbers are there? We have 1 10 and 4 10. So what is 1 10 plus 4 10? It makes 5 10. So what is 45 plus 7? 45 plus 7 equal 52. So let's do one more. 19 plus 8. So 19 is a 2-digit number and 8 is a 1-digit number. So let's see the ones place. 9 ones plus 8 ones. It makes 17 ones. Right. So we can write 17 as 110 and 7 ones. So we'll write 7 in ones place. And we carry over this 110 to tens place. So we'll write 1 here. So we have 110 plus 110. It makes 2 tens. So let's write 2 here. So 19 plus 8. It gives you 27. So this is how you need to do this. So likewise, in page number 142, you have sums E, F, G and H. So the same way that we have did, you can do this by yourself. The next is the same thing, addition with regrouping tens and ones. Here we are going to add two 2-digit numbers. So now we discussed about adding 2-digit and 1-digit numbers. Now let's learn adding two 2-digit numbers. Let's see. So here you have two numbers given, 24 plus 37. So both are 2-digit numbers. So first let's see the ones place. So which all numbers are given? 4 ones and 7 ones. So what is 4 ones plus 7 ones? 4 ones plus 7 ones makes 11 ones. And you can write 11 ones as 110 and 1 ones. So we write 1 over here. And we carry over 110 to the tens place. So we'll write 1 here. So in tens place, we have 110 plus 210 plus 3 tens. So you need to add them. So 1 plus 2, that is 3. 3 plus 3, 6. So let's write here. So 6 tens plus 1 ones makes 61. So what is 24 plus 37? It is 61. Let's do one more. 53 plus 28. So see, both are 2-digit numbers. First, what do you need to do? You need to see the ones place. You need to add the ones place first. 3 ones plus 8 ones. It makes number 11. 11 we can write as 110 and 1 ones. So you write 1 over here and we carry over 110 to the tens place. We'll write 1 here. So let's add the tens place. We have 110 plus 510 plus 210. So what is 1 plus 5? 1 plus 5 equal 6. 6 plus 2, 8. So we write here. So we have 81. We got answer as 81. So 53 plus 28 gives you a total of 81. In page number 142, sums J, K and L. You can do it by yourself. Moving to story sums. So we have already learned how to do story sums. Right. So let's discuss some of the story sums. So let's read this, let's understand and let's do the sum. The pollution from vehicles and factories is damaging our environment. Vaibhav and Tia decided to plant saplings to control the increasing pollution. So you can see the two little kids planting saplings. Vaibhav planted 15 saplings. So how many saplings did Vaibhav plant? He planted 15. And Tia planted 12. So Tia planted 12. How many saplings did they plant in all? So you need to find how many saplings did they planted in all. So what we need to do for that? We need to add them together in order to find the total number of saplings planted by them. So 15 plus 12. So first we need to add the ones place. So which all numbers are there in ones place? 5 ones and 2 ones. So what is 5 ones plus 2 ones? It makes 7 ones. So let's write 7 here. Then see the tens place. We have 110 and 110. So what is 110 plus 110? It makes 2 tens. So let's write 2 here. So how many saplings they planted together? They planted a total of 27 saplings. Okay, so one more question is there for you. Write 2 other ways to control environmental pollution. So one way is by planting saplings. So what about the other ways? We can say no to plastic bags. Reduce the use of plastic bags. Then you can think over any other ways in which we can control environmental pollution. So let's move to the next one. Humaira made 16 paperboards. So you can see the picture of paperboards here. Her brother Anis made 20 more. So Humaira made 16 and her brother made 20. How many paperboards did they make in all? So what is the question here? You need to find out how many paperboards did they made in all. So what do you need to do for that? You need to add. You need to add the number of paperboards made by them. So 16 plus 20. So for that, what we need to do first? We need to see the ones place. We need to add the ones place first. So we have 6 and 0. 6 ones plus 0 ones. What is 6 ones plus 0 ones? That is 6. When you add 0 to any number, you get the same number. So what is 6 plus 0? 6 plus 0 equal 6. Then coming to the tens place, we have 110 plus 210. It makes 3 tens. So 1 plus 2 equal 3. So total, how many paperboards did they make? They made 36 paperboards all together. So let's see one more sum. John made 35 donuts. His sister Monica bought 30 donuts from the market. So John made 35 and his sister bought 30 donuts. How many donuts did they have in all? So what is the question here? What do you need to find? You need to find the total number of donuts they have in all. So you have to find out the total number of donuts they have. So for that we need to add them. So that we'll get the total number of donuts they have. 35 plus 30. So see the ones place. Which all numbers are there? We have 5 and 0. 5 ones plus 0 ones. It makes 5. When you add 0 to any number, you get the same number. So what is 5 plus 0? 5 plus 0 equal 5. So see the tens place. Which all numbers are there? We have 310 plus 310, which makes 6 tens. So let's write 6 here. 3 plus 3 equal 6. So total, they have 65 donuts with them. So we have one more story sum. Aditi has finished studying 12 chapters of English for her final examination. How many chapters? 12. She has to complete 4 more. How many chapters does Aditi have to prepare in all? So you need to find the total number of chapters Aditi want to prepare. So you need to add them together. 12 plus 4. So you can do this by yourself. First see the ones place. You have to add them together. Then see the tens place. You get a total number of chapters Aditi wants to prepare. Now let's move to Subtraction. So you have already learnt about subtraction, right? So subtraction means taking away. So let's discuss one problem. Let's read this. Arun had 35 shells in his collection. He gave 4 shells to his sister. So Arun had 35 shells with him, and from that he gave 4 shells to his sister. So what do you need to find here? You need to find how many shells are left with Arun. So Arun already had 35 shells with him, and from that 35 shells he gave 4 to his sister. Now how many shells do he have? You need to find how many shells are left with Arun. So for that, what do you need to do? You need to subtract 4 from 35. Then we'll get the number of shells left with Arun. You need to take away 4 from 35. So 35 minus 4. So first, what do you need to do? You need to see the ones place. 5 ones minus 4 ones. So what is 5 minus 4? 5 minus 4 equal 1. So 5 ones minus 4 ones gives you 1 ones. Then let's see the tens place. So in tens place we have 3 tens. Here we have no number, which means 0 tens. So what is 3 tens minus 0 tens? When you subtract any number from 0, you get the same number. So what is 3 tens minus 0 tens? That is 3 tens. So let's write down 3 next to 1. So how many shells are left with Arun now? 31. So what is 35 minus 4? 35 minus 4 equal 31. So 31 shells are left with Arun. So how can we represent this on Abacus? So how many shells were there with Arun? There were 35. So 3 tens and 5 ones makes 35. So in ones place, let's draw 5 beads. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 3 tens. So in tens place, let's draw 3 beads. 1, 2, 3. So from that 35, he gave how many to his sister? 4. Right. 4 ones. So let's cut 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, how many are left? In ones place, we have 1. What about in tens place? We have 3. So 3 tens and 1 ones. It makes 31. So how many beads are left with Arun? There are 31 beads. So let's do one more sum. 85 minus 3. So first see the ones place. Which all numbers are there? 5 ones and 3 ones. So what is 5 ones minus 3 ones? It makes 2 ones. So let's write 2 here. Then see the next one. Tens place. We have 8 here. And here there is no number, which means 0 tens. So 8 tens minus 0 tens. It makes 8. 8 minus 0 equal 8. So let's write 8 here. So we got the answer is 82. So 85 minus 3 equal 82. So let's do one more. 67 minus 5. You need to take away 5 from 67. So see the ones place. We have 7 ones and 5 ones. You need to take away 5 from 7. 7 ones minus 5 ones. That is 2 ones. So let's write 2 here. Then see the tens place. We have 6 tens. Here there is no number, which means 0 tens. 6 tens minus 0 tens. It makes 6. So let's write 6 here. So 67 minus 5 equal 62. In page number 144, there is a box given. Try this. You have 3 problems. You can do this by yourself. Then do you all remember the last addition table that we learnt was number 5. So let's revise addition table of 6. So you can repeat it along with me. 6 plus 1. What is 6 plus 1? 7. 6 plus 2. 8. 6 plus 3. 9. 6 plus 4. 10. 6 plus 5. 11. 6 plus 6. 12. 6 plus 7. It makes 13. 6 plus 8. 14. 6 plus 9. 15. 6 plus 10. It makes 16. So you can repeat this 2 times. So it will be easier for you while you do calculations. So we are done with this class today. So let's meet in the next class and discuss a new topic. Till then, thank you.